Hello, welcome back to Cesim step-by-step guide for round 3 in the series of NBA simulation game free winning guide and tips. You can check the other video for the overview of the top 10 winning tips for Cesim 2024-2025. This details guide and tip for round 3. At first we check the unit sold the last round to find the sold unit in each market region. Take the financial statement to see the R&D promotion cost, sale and profit of each competitor, so we can adjust the price. Very important to check the market report to find the unit we sold at different level of prices, and take the market growth. Check the market growth to have the plan for the next round. Check the demand for each region to calculate the sales forecast, and check the network coverage forecast to calculate the demand ahead for a few rounds. Set the decision in the production investment. It's very important to invest in new capacity so we can expand production in later rounds. R&D is always the key to win the game, so we focus on take 1 and take 2 in round 1 to 3, and from later round so we can focus on take 3 and 4. So consider invest R&D in take 3 and take 4 from this round, and adjust marketing decision to get better sales and better profit margin. Again, focus on logistics to get better distribution among the different market region and control the tax and finance. If you have any questions, send the email to cesimhealth2022@gmail.com and get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success with Cesim.